mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna be moving to London. I don't actually know what the title is, but I assume it's gonna have one of those words in it. Yeah, I'm gonna be moving to London for uni. If you're wondering why there's been more ads in my videos recently, that's why. So please don't skip the ads. Anyway, it's the 5th of September. It is 10:45 right now, and I haven't packed anything. I'm just gonna show you a before of my room because I feel like I need to do that. So my room's not as messy as it usually is, which is good, but it's still pretty damn messy. So we got these underbed storage things to go through. I have my clothes to sort through, which is gonna be its own video, which should be up before this. Well, makeup, bag, clothes, and I have another suitcase ready to pack everything up. So that is the before of my room. I don't actually know if the after will look any different, but I sure hope so. Right, so I feel like I actually need to tell you what is actually happening with my living situation. So like at the moment I'm at my parents' house, you know, this is my room. I didn't grow up here, I grew up in the Philippines, so it's like a whole different country, but whatever. I need to stop going off track. But am I really whitewashed? I am. I'm not gonna be living in halls or dorms if you're American. So I'm gonna be living in a shared flat with two of my friends that I met on my foundation course. So basically we actually have like an amazing 3-bed flat. We're not actually moving into that because it doesn't have any plumbing, and it won't have plumbing for another 8 weeks. But luckily enough, our agent and one of my housemates' mom found us a temporary flat, but it's a 2-bedroom, but it's furnished. Right, I forgot to mention that it is such a good thing that this flat is furnished. As you can tell, I'm already here, because that meant that I didn't have to worry about bringing furniture up and stuff, or like buying more furniture. And like, do y'all see this headboard? It is so bougie. I cannot. Like, my bank account could never. It's just turned 12. I still haven't started packing, but I'm having my first meal of the day. I am with Mary. Mary, say hi. We're at this new place in our town called Muffin Break. You know me, I'm actually such a Visco girl, you know. And a oop. So I got one of these like straw things. It's like, do you know what time it is?
It is 25 to 3.
It's 25 to 3. I still haven't started packing. But on the plus side, I have a guitar, which is another thing I need to pack. We're taking a long route. We're going home, and then I promise I'm gonna start packing because Mary's gonna make me.
I am.
And she's gonna help me not bring my whole room with me.
Yes, we are. I'll be the Marie Kondo of your life.
But please.
Where's we going? You know.
So it's 10 past 3 right now. We just got back to my place. Mary's here with me. I have 8 of these underneath my bed that need to be sorted out.
I will be a ruthless.
Okay, so it's now 6:30. Mary left like 2 hours ago, and I haven't done shit. All my mess is still on the floor. I've yet to like even put it in the box or sort it out. I've actually been doing a really bad thing for the past 2 hours. I don't even know if I want to admit it. I've been making TikToks. Okay, it's 10 to 8 in the PM. I still haven't done shit, but I'm about to do it now. My camera's... well, not my camera. My phone's all set up, so let us get thy bread. Okay, update again. It's 20 to 9. Yes, it has been like nearly an hour. I haven't done anything besides what you've just seen because I just had a group FaceTime with my housemates because one of them is up there right now and she just gave us a tour of the flat, and now I'm really excited. I just want to move like now. So I'm gonna go through the first box now and just like kind of refine, because there are some things that I don't really like need right now, like glitter paper. So that's the underbed storage done, and it's only 9 o'clock. I do have 2 more underbed storages actually, but it's just full of DVDs, and I'm not gonna bring my TV. What else do we have underneath the bed? Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, so welcome to my underbed. First, we have this jar full of Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers, an empty Kylie lip kit, an old Ariana Grande perfume box filled with childhood photos, a book journal, and some old paracetamol. And then we have a wire grid basket full of scented candles and wax melts, googly eyes and nail art supplies, and an instruction manual on how to build my bed, some random paper bags, nail polish, hand sanitizer sleeves, more art supplies, an old shoe box full of random boxes, and another box that's full of empty boxes. So yeah, that was the tour of my underbed, and I hope you enjoyed it. So now we're gonna go through that chest. It's just full of bags and stuff. Oop, we got some alcohol. What is this? I have a bottle of mysterious liquid in a water bottle. And what else? Damn, my knees just cracked. What else would I do but not taste it, you know? That's alcohol. Okay, so that was easier. Now let's get on to my makeup. Oh look, there I am. Haha, so ugly. Okay, so I've sorted everything out into semi-organized piles. We have the keep and I'm bringing, the keep but I'm leaving, and the throwaway or giveaway. Okay, so I've managed to fit all my makeup things in these 2 bags. I had like 5 hours of sleep last night. I don't know what the fuck, did y'all hear that? So I think I'm gonna sleep. I've basically done everything. All I need to do is my clothes. So I will either see you tomorrow or I will see you tonight. Good night or whatever. I don't know why you still bother doing that. I literally never remember to do that the next day. But you know, we'll see what happens. Bitch, I remembered. Okay, so it's the next day. It's usually 9 o'clock on the dot. And I just woke up and I got a lot of shit that I need to do. Okay, my face is beat. Very basic beat, but it's still beat. Okay, like I just want to show off my eyebrows before my fringe covers it because I really like them today. I'm just now realizing one eyelash is like longer than the other. Hi, an update. It's like 8 something. I've basically finished packing. My plan is tomorrow morning to tidy up my room, put everything away, and if it's something that I need to pack, I will put it in this content. And yeah, hopefully that would mean that I have everything that I need. I'm now gonna wash my hair and then go to bed because I'm moving tomorrow, bitches.
The next day.
Good morning. I look like a mess. I feel like a mess. So I'm gonna clean and pack everything else that I needed to pack. And then I'm gonna deal with this. Let's go, 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 go. Okay, that's all I can do for now because a lot of the things in my room I still need to use. So I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna clean everything out and it's gonna look very clean. Maybe. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. My fringe is not it, sis. This is everything I'm bringing with me. So no one in my family drives, well at least not in the UK, so we hired a taxi driver who has a van that he described as being the size of a bus. It was not the size of a bus, it was just a normal taxi van, but red. Nevertheless, everything managed to fit, yes, even my full-length mirror, which I've decided to bring with me as I've deemed it to be a necessity. And then we started our journey to London. What happens next? I literally just got to the flat. I have no idea where I am. I'm absolutely terrified. Well, that's a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Dumb bitch.